Does cold weather give you sudden hiccup attacks? That icy wind might be triggering your diaphragm. Today I'll show you 2 magic pressure points to warm your stomach and stop hiccups in minutes. No medicine needed. Classic cold-induced hiccups. They strike suddenly when you are chilled. They feel like an ice block or burning coal in your stomach. You get temporary relief with warm drinks. Sound familiar? Your digestive system is sending SOS signals. Let's look at the root causes. Immediate triggers include cold air or air conditioning blasting your neck, iced drinks combined with hot food, and extreme temperature shocks to your stomach. Frequent chills or diarrhea after cold foods. You might have what traditional Chinese medicine calls a spleen stomach cold syndrome. Now let's learn the warming duo of acupressure points. First, Zhongwan, also called CV12, is the stomach warmer, located midway between your belly button and breastbone. Warm your palms and circle massage this point 100 times clockwise. Second, Dazhui, also called GV14, is the body's thermostat. Find it below the neck's most prominent bone. Use moxibustion or thumb pressure on this point. When should you use these techniques? In an emergency, stimulate these points every 15 minutes. For prevention, make it part of your morning and night routine. Here are some quick tips. Avoid iced or boiling hot foods. Wrap a scarf around your belly. Never sit directly under air conditioning. Seek help immediately if your hiccups last over 6 hours or if you feel stabbing stomach pain. This could signal a serious condition. Here's a bonus hack. For prevention, chew ginger slices before going out. Want more natural wellness tips? Scan the QR code for our spleen care guide. Credits, script and narration by chishanzy.com.